No, you cannot defeat death, because the creator of the life and death, who is the only one, Allah, he has created certain rules, and the death is certainly for sure for everyone who he has created, because as a God he will not die, and as a God he was not created. So the only one who is immortal and has no death is the only one, and he is God, whose name is Allah. And all the creatures, especially the human beings in this on this planet Earth, if they are trying to defeat the death, they will never be able to do it. Never ever. No matter how much efforts they are doing, no matter how many experiments they are doing, they cannot stop and prevent and control the death. And not only this, no non-Muslim, now remember I am talking about the non-Muslim, no non-Muslim in the world can ever be able to resurrect any dead person after the death from old grave, or any old dead body like 2, 3, 4 days have been passed away. Then not like someone is on a bed in a medical in a hospital, and then you are pumping and jumping and saying, oh, that is a resurrection. No, that is not resurrection. A resurrection is when someone has been dead, clearly dead, 1, 2, 3 days have been passed away, it's a clear death. Then resurrection. So why I said non-Muslim? Because in the 21st century, legendary freelancer business, that is obviously my business, by the mercy of Allah, I am offering the resurrection of dead people in the 21st century by the mercy of Allah. And this is why I said no non-Muslim can do it. The reason is very clear. Non-Muslims worship their thoughts, not the God. The God is Allah. And practical proof can be seen on the godofnature.org website, how Allah has demonstrated His name by writing and by allowing the nature's creature to speak and witness only His name. So according to the practical proofs of nature, Allah is the real God of the nature and the universe. So this is why only in Islam this is possible, by the command of Allah, to resurrect a dead person. So this is why only, for now at least, legendary freelancer is in the world who is offering resurrection service. And now it is possible that dead can come back to the life by the command of Allah. And this is why in the past, Jesus, who non-Muslims claim and think that he is God or Son of God, but indeed he was a human, and indeed he is a prophet of Allah, and he indeed, the last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, came after the prophet Jesus. So Jesus has ability to resurrect the dead person anytime by the command of Allah, and indeed Allah had given him this ability. What is the practical proof? Very clear, that in the 21st century Allah has also demonstrated resurrection of dead in front of my eyes by His mercy. Yesterday, 16 April 2021, in a graveyard in the evening, and I have written a blog post about it on Medium, and I had answered about it on Quora.com, and I also have shared it as a story in Urdu video and with video footages regarding the event that happened. So Allah is the one only who practically did it, and Allah is the one who will practically do it when people from this world who have wealth, because this is my service, the resurrection of a dead person is my business service by the mercy of Allah. So if you would like, or anyone else would like, any dead person to come back to the life, that is possible, but non-Muslims cannot do it, because who they worship are not the gods. And regarding the death, the question regarding the controlling of death, that is not possible. No non-Muslims and no experiments and no thoughts and no nothing like that can control it. All human beings ultimately have to die. So no need to put and waste your efforts and your investment and your time and money on experiments that you will not die. No, 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 no. You will die. Indeed, I will also die one day. Indeed, people of this world will also die. But there is a time defined by Allah. The resurrection day, the judgment day, when every human being in this world will be resurrected and the creatures will be resurrected back for the judgment day. And that is a reality. What is the practical proof? Because in the 21st century you can see one Muslim man has come by the mercy of Allah with the legendary freelancer business, and he is offering the resurrection. This is very clear that no non-Muslim in the world can offer resurrection service and has not done it before and will never be able to do it ever in the future as well. So what else do you want to see? No control on death or resurrection from death? Which is more powerful? Reality is very different. So come to reality and look how Allah is the only creator and king of the universe, and how He has given this blessing to legendary freelancer who has come by His mercy. And if you are a non-Muslim, this is also a sign for you to think about. And if you would like, I am not forcing, you may think and consider what is happening. You look at godofnature.org and accept Allah to be your God because He created you, and enter in Islam. Very simple. But if you don't want, it's up to you, because there is no force. You have your own senses, common sense. Use it, think it wisely, and then decide. Take care.